Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm unboxing Paradigm's brand new release, Monitor SE Atom bookshelf speakers. Paradigm's been producing the Monitor range for, I don't know, 20 years maybe? Started with their mini monitor ages ago, and now they were in their 7th generation, so they did a version 7 last time. This is their new SE, and this is a departure from Paradigm's normal manufacturing. They've opted to be very performance driven from a sound quality perspective, but perhaps make some small compromises in the fit and finish of the speaker cabinets themselves. The net result though is something that performs amazingly well and sounds astonishing for the price, but doesn't necessarily have a rock star cabinet, and to be honest, that's perfect in my mind. So, let's have a look. Firstly, the boxes. Like most Paradigm products, these things are relatively muted as far as the way that they are packaged. Plain brown package, in this instance with a blue overlay. The packaging itself, model and serial number is just on one end, with all the scan information and stuff across, as you would expect. Across the top, Paradigm Monitor SE Atom, their smallest bookshelf speaker. Now, let's have a look. Now, like anything that's taped closed, it's always a good idea to sort of nick the sellotape rather than running the craft knife across the whole top. Opening it and having a look, you'll see firstly some basic accessories. In this bag, we've got, go to Paradigm's website. You've got some rubber feet, so if these are sitting on a platform or a side table or something like that, stick those on the bottom and you're good. And a basic bilingual user manual inside a Ziploc bag. The polystyrene piece is very, very easy to remove. And then of course out come the speakers. Now the speakers are both the same, so I'm not going to muck around too much. Get rid of one. Okay, nothing much else. Kind of that's all the packaging that really needs to be. Okay, so the speakers themselves. Firstly, let's get rid of that plastic bag and turn these speakers around. The bag itself contains a piece of polystyrene paper that sits across the top to protect it and stop any rub marks. It's absent of one at the bottom because you're not going to see the bottom. You're not going to need to protect it. Okay. The speaker itself is a vinyl wrap, a melamine, a black material, sort of a matte black finish. It's not shiny. Looking at the speaker, it's a nice compact bookshelf speaker with an excellent quality grille. It's not too deep, it's not too tall. At the rear we've got its port and binding posts. If we pause for a moment and just look at that, the binding posts have those plastic caps. They can easily be removed with your fingers, fingernails I should say, and you can use them for banana plugs or obviously a bare wire. The serial number is emulated on the back of each of those speakers at the binding post side. Spinning it around, let's quietly remove this grille. Now Paradigm have opted for a classic peg approach with the grille, and this grille is actually MDF, routed out and even scalloped. Now hang around for some of the photographs which I'll try and take some close-ups of this grille. Firstly you'll see that it's routed out so that the screws and other things like that marry up brilliantly into the grille, and the tweeter actually has this bezel, or the front of it is sort of tapered. That's to ensure very wide disbursement of sound, yet so in other words the speaker sounds at its best with the grille on. Looking at the driver itself, we've got Paradigm's beautiful metal dome tweeters, again with a wide disbursement, and Paradigm's new disbursement plate, which not only helps to protect the tweeter, but this is from their Persona and much better speakers. This technology is now widely used across all of the designs to help with the disbursement of the high frequencies into the space and make these speakers sound much bigger than they actually are. Beneath it is a relatively small mid-bass driver. With big magnets and an engine behind, this will actually perform extremely well. So although it's relatively small, it's going to pound away really well. Beneath it, of course, is Paradigm's logo. So, looking at this, we've got some rubber stoppers, we've got this disbursement over the tweeter, we've got a nice inlay, we've got that routed out in the Grille, and of course a mid-bass driver. It's not too deep, it's not too tall, it's a lovely compact speaker, and I'm very proud to be unboxing this Paradigm Monitor SE Atom here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.